In this video, we'll be going over a brief review of your checkbook screen. To get to your checkbook screen, you just simply check the checkbook box up here at the top right hand side. You have your list over here on the left, you have your details that'll be over here on the right, and then of course your search and filters field down here in the bottom left hand corner. You can search by different dates. You can type in a custom date. You can search by month to date, last month, quarter to date, whatever it is that you want to, criteria you wish to search by. You have the ability to search by a check number, a payee. You have your reports function here that will bring up the data for your checks, deposits, or your register. You also have the ability to select these up here with your tabs at the top. Simply by clicking on those tabs will take you to the list that you are looking for. You can go ahead and print that list. You can also hold down your shift key and export that to a CSV file if you wish and print that out that way. You also have the ability to hit Control F and it will bring up a search find filter. You can go in and type in the information that you're looking for. Just keep in mind and remember that when you are searching for a debit of some sort, it will need to be a negative number that you'll need to type in. Then of course for a deposit, it'll be a positive number that you'll type in there. Over on the right hand side, you have your check up here at the top. You have your list of checks that will be paid here, and then of course the bills that are to be paid down here and below. You have the ability to search by specific vendor of the vendors that you wish. If you want to bring up those bills, you can also select these boxes and it will sort them alphabetically or numerically. You also have the ability to refresh that screen, refresh the date, put a manual date in here of the bills that you wish to pay. When you do go to pay a bill, you'll just simply select the box. You'll select it up here with the check that you're wishing to write and send out. And then of course you'll have your check information up here. If you're down here and you have multiple bills that you need to pay with Shaw, you can go ahead and select all those boxes for Shaw that you need to pay. And then here in this drop down, it would show you the list identifying the bill number and whatnot that you'll be paying with this particular check. If you're paying online, maybe you're paying a vendor through an online source, you have the ability to check the non-check item. You'll have your date, your check number, the total amount, all the information that you wish to have on that check. You also have the ability here with your check boxes here, these little circles, you can bring up your checks. You can also bring up your deposits when you're going to be entering a deposit. Then of course you have your reconciliation screen. We would recommend that you go through and do this reconciliation at least once a month to be able to maintain that information correctly. Much of the data on how to use this particular screen, there'll be other training videos that will be done. I would encourage you to watch those other training videos on how to operate through the checkbook and to do the functions that you need to do to maintain your business. And that is the brief overview of your checkbook screen.